Hi, my name is Hugo Sanabria. I'm assistant professor at physics and astronomy here at Putnam University. So I'm originally from Mexico. I got my bachelor's in physics engineering back in the top private university in Mexico, doing physics engineering with a minor in biotechnology. So my first introduction to seeing a neuron in the microscope was an eye-opening experience to me. It's like, oh my God, these are really the cells that almost control us. Right? And that was a magical moment the first time I saw this. This is what I really want to do for life. So I teach Introduction to Biophysics. And the first time I taught that class, there was a couple of mechanical engineers in my class. I took it as a technical elective. One of those, Parabolic, he was very deep into 3D printing. We discussed the idea and said, well, let's build a machine that basically a 3D printer that we can control with our brain.
You can measure different levels such as focus, different motions, and then all that stuff can be computed in a program and then spit out as G-code, which the computer recognizes and moves as pattern.
Just taking directly the signals from our brain and decoding them so that we can have a useful outcome. And that's really the idea behind a brain-computer interface, which the mind control 3D printer is. Once you have a motivated student that wants to do the work, you just have to let that happen and facilitate that happen. We are doing contributions and trying to make an open source platform that people can use for this type of applications.